Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app or system settings where fonts and language interact. Make sure a compatible font file or font family is available. Copy it to a known folder. Once done, navigate to Language or Appearance sections and select the language you want to modify. You do this now because changing language first narrows options and prevents mismatched glyphs. Make sure to keep the original settings recorded so you can revert if a font lacks required characters. You now pick a font that fully supports the target script. This avoids missing characters and rendering errors. If needed, install the TTF or OT file and grant permissions. Once installed, map that font specifically to the chosen language or UI element. Preview text samples and adjust size, weight, or fallback fonts to maintain readability. Because different fonts change line height and spacing, make sure to check multi-line labels and buttons so your interface remains. You finish by saving settings and restarting the app or system process that uses fonts. This ensures the new font loads consistently. Test menus, dialogues, and multilingual content to verify glyphs and spacing look correct. If you see tofu boxes, misaligned text, or missing glyphs, revert to your backup or choose a different font with broader coverage. One key troubleshooting tip: clear font caches and restart once more, since stale caches commonly cause old fonts to persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.